What is going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video. Finally rocking my Pop tee, that Kylo Ren first order glow in the Pop tee. Chilling right here on my little glowy square. Yes, here. Got challenged by Box Attack to show off my top 3 Funko Pops out of my collection. As you see growing here, and I have some sporadically around the house. I had to pick out 3. I tried to do that. I have them off to the side here because you guys can't see them. But I appreciate being challenged by Box Attack. Thank you. I'm gonna send out this challenge to T. Chantel, the Funko Pop, and Pop Couple to likewise do the same thing. If you guys are interested in Pops, tech, and a few things pop culture like Marvel, TV, movies, stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Like this video if you haven't already. But now let's get into my top picks out of my Funko collection. What's going on, Stan Lee? Just chilling, you know what I'm saying? So, what's the first one I'm gonna go with? Well, I'm gonna go with one of the first Pops I bought. I think it was like my second Pop, and it's my biggest Pop. And that is the Hulk Buster. Yes, I would like to get the first gen, I guess you could call it, or the Age of Ultron Hulk Buster. But this one is super nice because I like this one from Infinity War. Much more compact, mint business. Like, this is a cool Funko Pop right here. It's my largest one, and it's an Iron Man Pop, as you guys can kind of see surrounded by me, you know what I'm saying? Iron Man is my guy. So my first Pop I'm starting off with is the Hulkbuster suit from Infinity War. A big Pop. It's a solid, well-detailed Pop, and I love it. Now, what's my second Pop? So I guess it's not in any exact order, but the last one I'm gonna show you is my number 1. But the next Pop is the Captain America Pop from Endgame. As you guys can see, he's got his shield. He's, dirtied up. He's got Mjolnir, and he's rocking out, trying to take out Thanos in the squad. Now, the reason why I picked this out, this is my second Captain America Pop. I forgot my first Captain America Pop is the one that came with the set from Civil War, which is Iron Man and Captain America. If you guys haven't noticed the trend already, I collect Marvel Pops and Star Wars Pops as of right now, and I got my DBZ Pop up there. But the reason why I picked this one out is because, again, the detail, the lightning charge detail that's surging around Captain America as his body bobbles below. The reason why I picked this one out is because I dig the growth of Captain America throughout the movies. As we know, in Civil War, and really it started off in Ultron, he couldn't pick up Mjolnir in Ultron because he was not 100% worthy yet or of honor to wield Mjolnir, and that's because he probably knew of Tony Stark's parents being killed and elected not to tell him. So that's why he couldn't pick up Mjolnir. But then in Endgame, after sorting out issues with Tony Stark in Civil War, he was held honorable and worthy to hold Mjolnir. And so this Pop, just doing it justice for Steve Rogers and for the Endgame movie, really, because this is just so iconic right here of Captain America. I dig it. I dig it. So that is one of my other top picks. Now, my ultimate top picks out of my collection, again, if you can't guess already, you already know what I'm going with, but then I'm going with 2 from my number 1. I'm cheating like Box Attack did, like Dom. I'm picking out 2, but they're relatively the same, and I feel like maybe they should have come out at the same time or a variation of the 2. The first one I'm going to show you is the former Box Lunch exclusive. I did not get the Box Lunch exclusive version or sticker, I guess you could say, on the box. I got the regular Iron Man from Endgame. I dug the suit. It's like a modernized version of his first suit in, I believe, Avengers. Just a little more silver and metallic on it, as you can tell by the helmet and his suit. This was a dope Endgame Pop, and it was representing leading up to what Tony Stark did in the movies. So this is part of my first Pop, or the Ultimate Pops, and yes, the 2019 edition. I believe it's New York Comic Con edition. Tony Stark with the Infinity Gauntlet. And boy, oh boy, thank you I could not have gotten this without Box Attack. I won actually that one of the prizes, and I was able to get this one. And woo! Oh my goodness, it just set my collection on fire. Tony Stark with the gauntlet. Now this is the one I think they probably should have already let off with, because this is much more memorable from the movie than this one. Now they both are super dope, and maybe this one could have been the exclusive, but this one, oh my goodness, I dig it, I dig it, I dig it. This is the ultimate top picks of my Funko collection. Now, what can I say? My runner-ups, right, or notable mentions. Now, one thing I don't like about this Tony Infinity Gauntlet Pop is he's very top-heavy, and they didn't give him a stand. Notable mentions is, I actually have them down here hidden, but my first pop was actually a Thanos pop, the Thanos with the Infinity Gauntlet. That was my first pop. That's a notable mention. And another notable mention is the Mandalorian. Yes, actually scooped him up right after Rise of Skywalker. This is a notable mention because this show is amazing. Mandalorian is amazing. Watching his growth throughout the series, and the pop looks cool. Now I think there's 2 other pops of him, and it kind of like it goes through his armor sets as he's completing them throughout his journey in the first season of The Mandalorian. Just amazing pop here as well. So it's another notable mention. But I figured I'd come through, accept the challenge, and drop a video showing you guys what my favorites are out of my Funko collection. So I challenged the 3 individuals in the beginning of the video: T. Chantel, the Funko Cop, and the Pop Couple. I don't know if you guys watch this channel now, but I challenge you guys. And then if anybody who knows them, go ahead and let them know Versatile. Challenge them, and I really challenge anybody else as well. If you guys have pops and you got your favorites out of your collection, do a video, let us know. But that's the end of this video. Hope you guys appreciated and enjoyed it. Again, if you haven't already, like and subscribe if you enjoy Funkos, if you enjoy tech, if you enjoy, I guess you could say, podcasts, since that's where I talk about like the Marvel stuff and all that. Movie reviews. I just did a Sonic one. I don't like to keep myself boxed in on this channel. I like to keep it diversified so I can just continue to grow with this channel. So if you guys like that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button down below. But your boy Versatile signing out, and until the next video, woo! Let it go. Let it go. The past. Erase it. Wait for it.